Hello, my dear student. Today we will discuss the chain rule system. In the previous class, already I have discussed about the differentiability of a function. Here, I will discuss about the chain rule system. In generally, by using first principle of derivative, we have some standard derivative. It means derivative of what standard function. Some special function কিছুমান special functionৰ আমি কি উলিয়াব পাৰো আমি ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েচন কৰি তাৰ ভ্যালু উলিয়াব পাৰো এইখিনি জেনেৰেলি ভ্যালু উলিওৱা হৈছে with the help of first principle. The first one is what derivative of x to the power n is belongs to q. n ৰ ভ্যালুটো হৈছে তোমাৰ q. say ddx of x cube ইয়াৰ যদি মই ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েচন কৰো ddx of x cube derivative of the function derivative of this function ইয়াৰ value আহিব তোমাৰ 3 into x square. It means formula is what n into x to the power n minus 1. ddx of a to the power x. A is any constant which is greater than 0. Then you have a to the power x log of a whose base is e. That is the logarithm whose base is e. Then you can write like that ln. Okay. That means simply if you consider an example ddx of 2 to the power x, 2 is any constant. Then you have what? 2 to the power x into what? Log of 2 base e. Or this part you can write ln2. Okay. ddx of log whose base is a. যদি a base e base হলে derivative কৰিলে ultimately 1 by x. যদি a base হয় which is not is equal to e, then 1 by x into log e base e. Otherwise, ddx of log x whose base is e, directly this value is equal to what? 1 by x. ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x. ddx of sec x tan x. Okay, ddx of cot x minus cos x square x. Similarly, ddx of e to the power x, ddx of log x 1 by x, already I have discussed. ddx of sin x cos x tan x হলে sec square x cosec x হলে minus cosec x cot x. Our derivative of any constant is equal to 0. ddx of sin inverse of x 1 by root over 1 minus x square where x lies between minus 1 and 1. তাৰ বাহিৰত যাব নোৱাৰো কাৰণ তেতিয়া আকৌ এই পাৰ্টটো এক্সিষ্ট নকৰে ddx of cos inverse of x minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. The ddx of tan inverse of x equal to this one sec square. ddx of sec inverse of x equal to this part. Cosec inverse of x equal to this one. You can write minus 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Cot inverse of x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. That is the derivative. These things already you have in class 11. Okay. এইখিনি ফৰ্মুলা জেনেৰেলি ইউজ কৰি পেলাই আমি ইনিশিয়েল যিখিনি আমাৰ চেইন ৰুল সিস্টেমৰ ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েচন আছে this part I will discuss. Okay, before starting the chain rule system, initially here I will discuss some properties or results of differentiation. Number 1, ddx of sum of or difference of any two functions, say f of x plus g of x. Two functions are there, f of x plus g of x. Directly we can write ddx of f of x plus ddx of what? G of x. Otherwise this sign is negative, then you have this one is negative sign. Number 2, ddx of k is any constant into f of x. Then you have k is any constant to value. Then you have ddx of what? F of x. Number 3, ddx of f of x into g of x, product of these two functions. তেতিয়াহ'লে ফাৰ্ষ্ট ফাংচন f of x এবাৰ বাহিৰত লৈ আহিব f of x into d dx of g of x plus এবাৰ g of x উলিয়াই লৈ d dx of what okay number 4 derivative of division f of x by g of x f of x by g of x division of these two is equal to g of x whole square into g of x we are going to then you have what d dx of f of x minus ever f of x with the new by here d dx of what g of x. This result already you have in class 11 okay and number 5 derivative of any constants already I have discussed the Killian standard form is always equal to 0. Again, if you consider an example, যদি মই এটা example consider কৰো like that d dx of x squared that means you have twice যদি মই তোমাক দেখিলো যে d dx of root x that means what d dx of root x means what d dx of x to the power 1 মানে ultimately তোমার কি মান আহিলে 1/2 into x to the power 1/2 minus ultimately half of x to the power minus that means 1 by twice of 1 by twice of what d dx of 1 root x is equal to what 1 by twice of root x এই আমি স্ট্যান্ডার্ড রেজাল্ট কেতিয়াবা আমি ইউজ কৰো okay it chain system means what chain rule system chain system মানে তোমার কি হয় simple okay already I have discussed some standard formula কিছুমান আমি standard formula এতিয়ালৈকে আমি discuss কৰিলো okay say if you consider a function যদি মই এটা function consider কৰো say y equal to log of x whose base is e. When you differentiate this function you can write differentiating with respect to x you have to write in this okay with respect to x যদি মই differentiation কৰো then you have dy by dx is equal to you have d dx of what log of x. There is a standard form the base is what e basis the d dx of log x is equal to what 1 by x that is the answer. Simply if you consider one more example যদি তোমাৰ example এনেকুৱা লৈছো মই d dx of log of sin x d dx of log of sin x if you differentiate line লিখিব লাগিব differentiating with respect to x then you have dy by dx is equal to what d dx of log of sin of x d dx of log x প্রথম সদায় যেতিয়া চেইন সিস্টেম ইউজ কৰাবা না আউটার ফাংশন তো চাবা আউটার ফাংশন ইজ what log আমি d dx of কি পাইছা log x এর ভ্যালু পাইছো d dx to আমি log of sin x there is no any standard formula therefore this part we consider as a x minded মই কি will consider কৰিম as a x d dx of log x this part we consider as a x ultimately you have 1 by what sin of x and d dx of log x equal to 1 by x next me a bracket to দিব লাগিব you have to differentiate d dx of what sin x যাক তুমি কনসিডার কৰিলা again you have to differentiate তাক আকৌ এবাৰ মই differentiation That therefore this system is known as chain system. কারণ যাক তুমি কনসিডার কৰিলা কাক কনসিডার কৰিলা as x sin x, therefore you have to again differentiate this one. Ultimately 1 by sin x ddx of sin x is equal to what? Cos x, which is a standard form. Ultimately this value is equal to what? Cot of x. Next, if we consider one more example, more number 3, same procedure. If we consider y equal to log of root over 10x, that if you differentiate, write down this one differentiating with respect to x. If you differentiate dy by dx is equal to ddx of log of root over 10 of x, root over what? 10x. The outer function is which one? Who knows outer function? Outer function is what? Log. Therefore, this part, whole part, root over 10x, we consider as a x. ddx of log x equal to 1 by what? Root over 10 of x. And again, you have to differentiate. Как differentiate kori moi? ddx. Which part we consider as a x? Root over 10x. You have to be as a x. 1 by root over 10x. Which part we consider ddx of log x equal to 1 by x? This part we consider as x. Jak x will consider again you have to differentiate. There are this part you can write 1 by what? Root over 10 of x. Again you have to differentiate. ddx of this one we consider as x. ddx of root x. Already I have discussed. ddx of root x equal to what? 1 by twice of root x. Okay. Again, you have to differentiate. Как consider kore? ddx of root x are paise. This one is we consider as a x. Jak consider kore again you have to differentiate. Ako bracket dibo lagibo. Как differentiate koribo lagibo? ddx of which part? 10 of x. Okay. তেতিয়াহ'লে এই পাৰ্টটো তোমাক simplify কৰিলে 1 by twice of you have 10 of x. ddx of 10x is equal to what? Sec squared x. That is the derivative of this function. যিমানে তুমি যেতিয়ালৈকে তুমি তাক কনসিডাৰ কৰি থাকিবা তেতিয়ালৈকে আমি তাক কি কৰিবলৈ আমি ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েট কৰিব লাগিব. That is the procedure for chain rule system. Okay. Now, if we consider one more example, আৰু এটা example যদি মই ইয়াত consider কৰো, chain system ত বাঢ়ি বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব. Say, if we consider an example this one, number 4, y equal to log of root over 10 of x into e to the power x. এনেকুৱাকে আছে. If you differentiate with respect to x, and লিখিব লাগিব differentiating with respect to x, তেতিয়াহ'লে dy by dx is equal to ddx of what? Log of root over 10 of x into e to the power x. The outer function is which one? কোন আছে বাবা? log আছে. Therefore, whole part this thing, এই গোটেই পার্টটোক আমি কি বুলি কনসিডার কৰিম? As x. ddx of log x, 1 by x, 1 by root over 10 of x into e to the power x. this part we consider as x ddx of log x equal to 1 by x কাক consider কৰিলা as x যেটো consider কৰিলা তাক আকৌ মই differentiation কৰিব লাগিব কাক consider কৰিলো consider which part কাক consider কৰিছিলা this one root over what 10 of x into e to the power x part মই consider কৰিছো again if you differentiate this function ইয়াক যদি মই differentiation কৰো এটো part এটো আহিব এটো মনাই লিখা ddx of root x what 1 by twice of root x কাক consider কৰিছিলো 10 of x into e okay ddx of root x equal to 1 by twice of root x this part we consider as x a part to মই গুটেটো x বুলি consider কৰিলো again you differentiate tak আকৌ মই differentiation কৰিব লাগিব ddx of what 10 of যেটো consider কৰিছিলা x into e to the power x again you have to differentiate this part তেতিয়া হলা ইয়াত তোমাৰ কিমান আহিলে 1 by root over 10 of x into e to the power x এটা multiply কৰিলে আমি কি পাম 1 by twice of 10 of x into e to the power x এটা multiply কৰিলে now you have to define ddx of 10x এই গুটেটো x বুলি কনসিডার কৰিবলৈ লাগিব কারণ outer function is 10 ddx of 10x equal to what sec square x কাক consider কৰিলা as a which part this one therefore again you have to define ddx of what x into e to the power okay তেতিয়ালে ইয়াত তোমাৰ আহিলে 1 by twice of 10 of x into e to the power into sec square x into e to the power okay আৰু এটো আহিলে তোমাৰ product of two function এবা x ক লৈ আনিলো কাক differentiation কৰিম ddx of what e to the power x plus এবা কাক লৈ আনিবা e to the power x কাক differentiation কৰিম ddx of x after simplification of this part it will আহিলে তোমাৰ sec square x x into e to the power x by twice of root over 10 of x into e to the power x one part is this one and eto part bracket or ভিতৰত আহিলে x into e to the power x e to the power x dx of x is equal to 1 finally simplify কৰিলে এটো আহিলে that is the derivative of the given function by using chain মানে যেতিয়া লাগে তোমাৰ original format নাহে তেতিয়া লাগে তুমি হে particular function to কি কৰিব থাকিবলৈ always you have to define it okay that is the procedure okay. Now here we consider some examples কিছুমান আছে তোমাৰ এটি simply a part to যদি মই differentiation কৰো this one if you consider y equal to this one directly ইয়াক যদি আমি differentiation কৰো dy by dx sin আছে বাহিৰৰ ফাংশন sin therefore differentiate কৰিলে ইয়াত আহি যাব তোমাৰ cos of x square plus 5 আকৌ আমি কাক differentiate কৰিব লাগিব again you differentiate with 1 x square plus 5 তখন ইয়াত আহিলে twice x 5 of কৰিলে 0 twice x into cos of x square plus 5 that is the derivative of first function and number 2 second also second কি আছে y equal to what cos of sin x function দিয়া আছে cos of sin x okay a particular যেটো function দিয়া আছে এই ফাংশনটো যদি আমি differentiate করলো if you differentiate this function with respect to x dy by dx direct কৰিছো outer function is cos এটো আমি as a x consider কৰিলো তাহলে minus sin of what sin of ব্র্যাকেট দিব লাগিব কাক কনসিডার কৰিছিলে sin of sin x differentiation কৰিলে আকৌ কি আহিব তোমাৰ cos that is the value of this function okay similarly ইয়াত তোমাৰ sin কৰিলে cos of derivative কৰিলে particular function টো যদি তুমি differentiation কৰা after differentiation the value of this function sin of কৰিলে তোমাৰ cos আহিলে cos of what ax plus b. Again you differentiate ax plus b, a into x of কৰিলে 1 আৰু b কৰিলে কিমান আহিব 0 according to simple system. Number 4, question number 4 is what 4 to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ চোৱা, if you differentiate this function y equal to this one কিমান দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ sec of ব্ৰেকেটত আছে তোমাৰ tan of root x একেলগতে কৰিম আমি কেনে কৰিম চাবা সেম লাইন ডেৰিভেটিভ কৰিম ddx of sec x এটো গুটেটো x বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰো ddx of sec x কৰিলে কি আছে তোমাৰ sec x tan x sec into tan of root x আকৌ tan into what tan of what bracket dim. Again you have to differentiate কাক কৰিব লাগিব এবাৰ differentiation ddx of what tan of root x এখানে part same আহিব into ddx of outer function is which one tan ddx of tan x of কৰিলে তোমাৰ কি পাই গলা এটো sec square root x. Again you have to differentiate আকৌ কাক differentiation কৰিব লাগিব which part we consider as x root x. Okay তাহলে এই পার্টটো তোমার কি আহি গল তোমার sec square root x into ddx of root x equal to what 1 by twice of root x. এই পার্টটো ইয়াত আহি যাব, that is the solution of the given function. Similarly in the question number 5 etu tomar division rulings ho question number 5. Now here we discuss about the question number 6 to 7. Question number 6. Okay, here y equal to what y is equal to cos of x cube into sin of x to the power. Two function, one is this one, another is this one. ইয়াক যদি আমি differentiation কৰো, if you differentiate this function dy by dx, এটো first function লবা product of two function, এটো মই লৈছো second function. The first function to উলিয়াই লৈ আহিলো cos of x cube. কাক differentiation কৰিব লাগিব, you have to differentiate which one কাক কৰিম মই differentiation ddx of what sin of x to the power plus এবাৰ কাক লৈ আনো sin of x to the power কাক আকৌ তেতিয়ালে কাক differentiation কৰিব লাগিব ddx of cos of x. Okay, the first part to চোৱা এই part ইয়াত কি আহি গল তোমাৰ cos of x cube আহিলে আৰু এটুক যদি তোমাৰ according to chain rule system অলে differentiate কৰো sin of x to the power 5 to নাই আমি sin of x ৰ পাইছো, therefore this part we consider as x ddx of sin x cos of what x to the power 5. Again you differentiate 5 into x to the power. Okay, next sin of x to the power 5 ddx of cos of x cube তাক যে differentiation কৰো minus sin of x cube আকৌ যদি মই x cube ক differentiation কৰো then you have what this will is equal to 5x square. That is the derivative of this function. Simplify কৰিলে তোমাৰ ultimate result. Okay, similarly question number 7 and question number 8 also you can differentiate. Okay, differentiation কৰিব পাৰিবা by using what same system. Okay, so one of the important theorem is what there is the important theorem the function f is differentiable at a point c then it is also continuous at that point. The other function that is differentiable at a particular point and this one is also is continuous. That means every differentiable function is a continuous function. How can you prove it? It was to can get proof. Say if a function, if every differentiable function is a continuous function, যদি মই ফাংশনটো ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েবল বুলি মই কনসিডাৰ কৰোঁ, কাৰণ every differentiable function is a continuous, that means function is what differentiable. Differentiable হোৱাৰ লগে লগে since f of x is differentiable at x equal to c, ultimately you have what limit x tends to c, আৰু এটো আহি যাব তোমাৰ f of x minus f of c divided by x minus. Already I have discussed this result in the last class. Okay, derivative at a point x equal to a hole, then limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Here we consider the function is differentiable at a point x equal to c. এতিয়া এইটো পয়েন্টত এটা ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েবল হ'ল এইটো পালা, but x is not equal to c, x equal to c হ'ব নোৱাৰে কাৰণ x equal to c হলে something by 0 undefined হৈ যাব. Okay, now if we consider given function in this way, f of x minus f of c is equal to, you can write in this way, f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c into x minus c, where x is not equal to c, x equal to c hobo নোৱাৰে কাৰণ x equal to c যদি হৈ যায়, this one is what undefined. Okay, now taking limit x tends to c, এতিয়া মই কি কৰিলো পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ যেটো ফাংচন আছিল limit x tends to c, f of x minus f of c, আৰু এইটো পাৰ্টও আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰো, limit x tends to c, f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c into what, x minus c. You can write in this one. Next line that মই কি লিখিলো, this part you can write limit x tends to c, এটো আহিলে তোমাৰ f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. Okay, divided by what, x minus c into limit x tends to c into what, x minus. Okay, so what is the value of this part? এইটো part তুমি এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি, you can write limit x tends to c f of minus limit x tends to c f of c. Okay, a part value কি লিখিব, what is the value of this part? A part value generally লিখিব পাৰি, this part you can write f dash of c. উপৰা পাইলো আমি with the help of which one, a result. Already given that the function is what, differentiable at which point, at a point at x equal to c. Our a2 value কিমান হ'ব, c minus c, this part equal to 0. Finally, right hand side part is always 0. That means limit x tends to c f of x is equal to, there is no any variable, and ultimately f of c is equal to what, f of c, কারণ ইয়াত তো তোমার কোনো ভেরিয়েবল নাই, there is no any variable, কারণ এটা কনস্ট্যান্টে হয় f of c. Ultimately you have what, the limiting value of this function is equal to what, value of the function, limiting value of this function equal to value of the function. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to c. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to c, x equal to c pointed function কি হইব তোমার। এতিয়া জেনারেলি কি হয়, every differentiable function is a continuous function, but every continuous function may or may not be differentiable. এখানে কনভার্স পার্টটো যদি প্রুভ কৰিব লগা হয়, how can you prove it? কেনেকৈ প্ৰুভ কৰিব পাৰিবা চোৱা কনভাৰ্স পাৰ্ট. Conversely, you can prove it by using a example. F of x is equal to mod of x. This one you can write x if x is greater than equal to 0 minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, the function to মই প্ৰথমতে continuous বুলি prove কৰি লম. Next differentiable হয় নহয় আমি চাম. এতিয়া মই গম পাম যে every differentiable function to continuous হয় with the help of this one. The every continuous function differentiable or not. Okay, at x equal to which point 0. The left hand limit will be left hand limit. You have limit x tends to 0 f of x 0 ke aibo tomar negative. The limit what x tends to 0 negative 0 negative hole kontu function aibo 0 ke less minus x. Tiale put kole tomar 0 aibo minus 0 means what 0. Similarly, when you find right hand limit x tends to 0 positive f of x. The limit কিমান পাই যাব তোমাৰ x tends to 0 positive 0 positive হলে 0 কে স্লাইড কেটা definitely first function আহিব ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু আহিলে x this part equal to 0 and value of the function f of 0 x equal to 0 হলে first function টো আহিব definitely তাৰ ভ্যালু 0 আহিলে therefore what left hand limit is equal to what right hand limit is equal to what value of the function. Therefore f of x is continuous. Therefore f of x is continuous at what x equal to which point 0. Now we have to check function is differentiable or not at that particular point. Here point function to differentiable হয় এতিয়া আমি যাও differentiability check কৰিম কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিব লাগিব at the same point which point is what at x equal to 0 তেতিয়া আমি l average of 0 উলিয়াম l average of 0 means what limit h tends to 0 f of what 0 minus h minus what f of 0 divided by what minus h. That means you have limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h 0 minus h means what 0 ke slightly 0 ke slightly less hole eto function আহিব কারণ ইয়ার ভ্যালু জেনারেলি কি হয়েছে f of minus h হয়েছে minus what f of 0 divided by what minus h. Then definitely এটা কি হবে তোমার চাবা limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h definitely second function use হবে তাহলে minus of what minus h minus f of 0 x equal to 0 এটা আহিলে তোমার 0 এটা আহিলে আপনার minus h তাহলে ultimately you have limit h tends to 0 minus minus plus তেতিয়াহলে ইয়াত আহিব তলত আহিব h তলত আহিলে minus h simply ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু কিমান আহিব h is cancel হলে ultimately this value is equal to minus 1. Next you have to find r f dash of 0 right hand derivative at that point. You can write limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. 0 plus h means what 0 plus h that means slightly greater than 0. This function you can write f of h minus what f of 0 divided by what? H. Then ultimately you have limit h tends to 0. F of 0 plus h means what? Slightly greater than 0. 0 কে যদি definitely greater হয়, which function we use? কোনটো আহিব 0 কে greater হলে তোমাৰ definitely first function. ইয়াৰ value কিমান আছে তোমাৰ x. মানে x মানে f of h কিমান আহিব তোমাৰ f of x equal to h হয়, তাৰ মানে f of x equal to x হয়, f of h equal to h আহিব, আৰু f of 0 equal to 0 হয়, আৰু ইয়াৰ value আহিব h. তাৰ মানে ইয়াৰ value টো আহিব তোমাৰ limit h tends to 0 h by h. Ultimately this value is equal to what? ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি কি পাই গলা তোমাৰ left hand derivative L f dash of 0 is not equal to R f dash of 0. Okay, that means function is continuous but not differentiable. Therefore, that is the counter example. Every continuous function may or may not be differentiable. Continuous হলে কি differentiable হবও পাৰে নহবও পাৰে, কারণ নহব যে পারে কিয় পারে এটো এটা আমি কাউন্টার एग्जांपल দিলু mod of x which is continuous at a point x equal to 0 0 point function to তোমার continuous হৈ গল but not differentiable at x equal to 0. That is the counter example. Okay, this theorem is so important. Yeah, generally তোমার question to এনেকে দিয়ে prove that every function is a continuous function but but converse is not. তেতিয়াহ'লে তুমি কি কৰিব লাগিব প্ৰথম এটো ডিফাৰেন্সিবিলিটি চেক কৰিব লাগিব আৰু কি ডিফাৰেন্সিবিলিটি হৈ আছে বুলি কৈ কনসিডাৰ কৰি কন্টিনিউটি চেক কৰিব লাগিব এটো হ'বই এভৰি কন্টিনিউয়াস ফাংশন ইজ এ ডিফাৰেন্সিবল ফাংশন আৰু কনভাৰ্সলি তুমি এটা ফাংশন লৈ লবা mod of x লব পাৰা mod of x - 1 লব পাৰা mod of x - 2 লব পাৰা mod of x - 1 হলে x = 1 অত চেক কৰিব লাগিব আৰু mod of x লোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি কোড কৰিছিলো এটা পইণ্ট x = 0 mod of x + 2 hole at x equal to -2. Okay, that is the first exercise. That means what? Differentiability. The next class I will discuss about the differentiation. Okay, thank you.